Student, today we're going to study about cleaning tools. The tools that we use to clean at home. After this lesson, you're going to be able to tell me what are the tools that you use to clean. Okay, let's start together.
Broom. This is a broom. Feather duster. This is a feather duster. Dustpan. This is a dustpan. Rubbish bin. This is a rubbish bin. Mop. This is a mop. Squeegee. This is a squeegee. Sponge. This is a sponge. Toilet brush. This is a toilet brush. Plunger. This is a plunger. Brush. This is a brush.